Hey guys, I am really very sorry. I know it has been a really long time since I've uploaded a new video. My last video was I guess a month before and I'm really sorry for it. In my last video I told you guys that my exams were coming up, so yeah, I was really busy with my exams because it was a very bad time. But today was my last exam and now I am totally free and I promise to be consistent with my videos now. And one more reason I didn't shoot was because I was going through a lot of acne. I mean, I have had acne problem, but I don't know what happened in this month. It was just too much and I couldn't get rid of them, and it was really bad time for my skin, and so that's why I was not using a lot of makeup products on my skin, so I really couldn't make a video. But instead I was using a lot of home remedies and skincare routines to bring back my normal skin. So during the whole month I tried a lot of things, some of which did not work at all and some of which really worked very well on my skin. So in this video I'm gonna show you guys the various products that I used and how I used them to get my normal skin back almost. So guys, the products that I'll be showing you are not for promotion. I am not promoting anything. It's just that I know a lot of people go through this acne problem and most of them are not able to find the right kind of product that will help or that will suit their skin, and I was going through the exact same phase. It took me so many trials to finally find out the product that actually worked for me. I'm just gonna show you guys these products so that just in case if any of you is going through the same problem, you might just want to try these out and they might just help you out. They might just work for you and make your skin better. It is just for your help. I'm just giving you a suggestion that you can use this, and it is not for any promotion. No promotion intended at all. All the products that I use are from Clarins, and the first one is of course a face wash. It is a one-step gentle exfoliating cleanser and it is for all skin types, and trust me, it really is, because as you all know I have really dry skin, and this is the first ever face wash that has not made my skin dry at all. Next, what I use is a serum. It is a Mission Perfection serum, again by Clarins. It basically reduces your acne and it also removes any kind of dark spots or acne spots that are there on the face. This you have to use twice daily and on a moist skin. So you just take one pump on your finger and rub it among your fingers and then just gently apply it on the face in a pressing motion. And to moisturize my skin, I use the Hydra Essential Moisturizer, again by Clarins. I use it twice daily, once before sleeping and other time either in the morning or in the afternoon. And just in case if I have to go for a party or have to attend a function, I have to do a little makeup, I now use this BB cream, again by Clarins. It is very nice because it has moisturizer in it. I don't know, I mean it's moisturizing and it also has sunscreen properties in it. So it acts both like a moisturizer and a sunscreen. But again, before using it, I still mix it in some more moisturizer so that my skin doesn't get dry at all. And to remove any spots, acne spots or dark spots or anything, I would suggest you go with Parachute Coconut Oil. It is the best thing I have ever used. It is just amazing. It is so good and it definitely works. All you have to do is take a earbud or a cotton pad and put a few drops of the oil on it and just gently dab it on your face wherever you have the spots, and you will definitely see a change within a week or so. It is so good, it is so nice, and I highly recommend it. Okay guys, so that will be all for today's video. I really hope that this video helped someone that is going through the same problem as I did, and I really hope these products help you. and I'll see you guys in my next video. And if any of you want to suggest me on my next video, then feel free to contact me either in the comments down below or on DM on Instagram. And obviously don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.